Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to react to messages on Discord. So if you want to react to a message first, let's select the message right here. You can see that we have 3 emojis right here that we can already place to react to the message, but we can go over and click add reaction here. We can choose from multiple emojis right here, so we can react to messages with, let's say, let it be a lipstick. Now we can choose, let's say, a pouting cat, and the last one, the check mark. So we got 3 messages, 3 reactions to one message, and that's how you guys can simply react to messages. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.